All right, today's relaxation technique is opening the chest and kind of rearranging some of the muscles on the back. So I'd like you today to just release your arms down to your side and just let them hang naturally. For most of us, that should be the thumb facing in toward the thigh, all right? I'm going to ask you to just take a moment to notice how that posture feels. How does it feel across the front of the body? And how does it feel across the upper back and the shoulders? So just notice. Now, connecting to our breath in our good seated postural alignment. Checking in with where we are. I'd like to ask you to begin to open the chest by rolling your palms forward so that the pinky fingers are now facing toward the thighs, or closest to the thighs. So the palms are facing open. And with that, gently draw the shoulder blades toward each other and feel the opening across the front of the chest, across your collarbones. And take a moment to breathe with the body in that postural alignment. So the shoulder blades are gently squeezing toward each other. And the collarbones are melting open and creating space. Now for some of us, that may feel like enough of a stretch. And if so, then stay there. Just take a few breaths and see how that feels. If you feel like maybe you can get a little bit more, we're going to take the hands now and sweep them around behind you. So kind of bring them along behind your back as though you're bringing the palms of your hands together. So like you're pulling the palms of the hands together, and now you'll feel a little bigger sensation. The shoulder blades are drawing closer together and the chest is opening further. We can stay there for a breath or two and notice how that feels. Or maybe it would help to hold on to the sides of your chair. Again, just take a few moments to breathe. And then again, if that feels like that's an okay stretch and you want a little bit more, you can always take the hands and interlace the fingers or stack them one over the other. And just take a moment to feel how the body responds to that deep, deep stretch. So we'll take a few breaths here. Make sure the shoulders remain soft and melting away from the ears. Really feel an opening sensation across the collarbones. And then adding a little neck stretch to this, we're going to lift through the crown of the head once more, sitting nice and tall. Deep breath in, and on our exhalation, sinking the chin toward the chest. We feel that stretch getting deeper across the front of the body. And then if we'd like, take the head to the side, right ear to right shoulder, sink the chin back to center, and then left ear to left shoulder. Again, just take a moment and breathe at each side, and then return the chin back to the chest. Deep breath in, and on the exhalation, lifting the head and realigning the spine. And releasing the hands from behind you, allowing them to rest in the legs. Once again, connecting back in. Check in with how you feel. This is really a good time to maybe close your eyes and just notice any sensations that you've created, any changes, openness. You may feel an increased blood flow into some of those tissues that were grounded and locked down when you began. You've just opened and created space, increased blood flow, increased the mobility through the body. Again, with gentle stretches and breathing with a good, deep, intentional breath. Enjoy that sensation of openness, and I'll see you back here again soon.